first trip down to the boat for 2022.
It's a new year. The snow of the Newfoundland winter is cleared, the skies are blue, and it's now time to start the work needed to get our little big dream back in the water. We did a lot of reflecting during the off-season. We felt as if we learned a lot throughout the course of our first season, and we were ready to go head first into the upcoming boating season. We did not get a chance to reattach the mast, but the mast itself had been repaired and reinforced after the whole fiasco of it falling down last year.
Our biggest goal for this year is to get the mast up, the sails attached, and to actually start sailing. But we wanted to also get out and enjoy our time on the boat a little more this year. Don't worry, our huge dream of one day sailing around the world is still intact. Not even a busted mast can crush these dreams. At least I hope so anyway.
After all this reflection, we really wanted to get down to the marina and get to work. We did, however, suffer a few setbacks that delayed the start of our 2022 boating season.
Things got a little delayed. We've had really bad weather for the last week, and the week before that, the weather was absolutely beautiful, but unfortunately, we had the COVID.
Before we could get out and enjoy the water, we had a few projects to do on land. We felt an easy first task would be to give the boat a good cleaning over after being stored up for all winter.
We need to clean the inside with the mildew cleaner because it's been put away all winter.
Got a bit mildewy over the winter, so need to get that cleaned up.
We have to reattach the motor.
We need to try to take the windows off and reseal them because we have some water coming in through, leak through right there.
We're going to recaulk the windows and reattach them with different screws because the ones that are in it now stick an inch out past the wall, and it's kind of a safety hazard.
We need to try to get a turnbuckle to fit the forestay to attach to the boat. Oh my goodness, what else do we need to do? There's so many things.
So I think the big goal that we have this season, in my mind, is one, definitely getting the sails up and getting moving with the sails and not so much the motor.
Get the mast up. Hopefully get the sails out of the Rubbermaid container.
Do an overnight sleep on the boat attached to a mooring somewhere in the harbor here in Notre Dame Bay.
To get more comfortable in operating the boat.
Leaving the dock and redocking, I think, are two things that we really need to focus on and keep together.
Okay, operating the boat, moving the boat, getting it in and out of the marina, getting it in and out of the dock.
Messing with the navigation system and learning that.
Big lifelong goal is to hopefully one day sail around the world.
I guess this is the beginning. Lots of jobs to talk about.
When there's lots of scrubbing and organizing to do, necessary projects just have a way of unveiling themselves. In the middle of one of our cleaning sessions, Mother Nature expressed to us that she doesn't want us to get off the boat, even when it's on land.
This sucks. Well, it's one heck of a windy day here, and we're doing land work on the boat. Our ladder just blew over, so we're stuck here forever. We're in a marina, man. Everybody's here to help everybody usually, so it'd be no problem to find somebody to just...
Thankfully, our good pal Ben came right over and propped it back up for us. Needless to say, we tied the ladder to the boat to secure it. Let us make the mistakes, right?
After the bow of the boat was clean, we felt as if it were a perfect time to attach the license number to the boat. We applied for a pleasure craft license number through Transport Canada. We felt that getting this license number is the right thing to do as boat owners, and it also helps out the Canadian Coast Guard in case of an emergency. Tia has a steadier hand, so she was the one in charge of applying the decals.
We mulled over the idea of redoing the bottom paint, but we felt as if our anti-fouling job last year would be good for another year.
All in all, it feels really great to be back at it. Even if we aren't out on the water and our mast isn't up, we're feeling really hopeful for this coming season of boating.
Although the large job of recocking the windows looms in the back of our minds, and we're going to have to tackle that one next. Until next time,
Let us make the mistakes so you don't have to.
Shaka Bra!